Hey guys, do you own an RV? Are you like 90% of RV owners who use their RV less than 1 month per year? Then you know the frustrations of having your RV sitting in your driveway for 11 months out of the year, costing you money. Imagine if you could find a way to make money renting out your RV when you're not using it. How does a few $1,000s a month sound to you? Too good to be true? What if I told you I can show you everything there is to know about making a little bit of extra money with your RV? And we're not talking pennies here. Today, I'm gonna answer all the questions that we've been receiving in our DMs about making money renting out our RV. We're making up to $4,000 per month, and we will give you the answers so you can do the same. It doesn't have to be hard, risky, and complicated. It should be easy, fun, and profitable. First question: how to make money renting your RV? Hear me out. People will pay you to rent your RV when you're not using it. But hold on, wait. Don't start renting directly to your neighbors and friends. Imagine your neighbor offers you $300 to rent out your RV for the weekend. What if he has an accident? What would happen? He's not on your insurance. What if he argues that the awning was already broken? What if he doesn't want to pay you at the end? Seriously, RVs are pricey, and you can start making money renting out your RV, but you need to do it wisely and safely. You absolutely need to use a peer-to-peer platform to rent out your RV, because these services do everything for you. They provide complete, full insurance coverage. They put your RV in front of thousands of verified renters. They offer roadside assistance for your renters in case something happens, and so much more. All of this wouldn't be possible, and it would be a huge risk renting direct to your friends and neighbors. Next question: what is RV Easy? RV Easy is the platform to use to connect RV owners and RV renters. Before making the big splurge to buy our RV, we actually did our research to see how we can make the most out of our purchase. We knew about Airbnb and we were stoked to find the same type of platforms for RVs. Watch our video comparing Outdoorsy and RV Easy and find out why we prefer renting out our RV on RV Easy. Basically, they take care of everything: insurance, bookings, all the legal stuff for you. Another common question that we have been receiving is, will my RV be safe when it is being rented? Yes, it is totally safe, and we had the exact same concerns. After investing over $71,000, we were a bit skeptical about letting it go for a few days with anyone who owns a driver's license. However, what really reassured us is better understanding how the insurance coverage works. Every rental is fully insured. They offer $1 million in liability coverage, collision and comprehensive, all physical damages, fire, theft, and vandalism. RV Easy screens every renter to make sure they have a valid driver's license for 8+ years and a clean insurance profile. Your RV is fully protected by a commercial fleet insurance policy when it is being rented through RV Easy. Basically, when we are using our RV for personal use, we are covered by our own personal insurance policy. The minute our RV is rented through RV Easy, on the trip start date, the insurance coverage switches over to RV Easy's rental policy, and our RV is protected during the duration of the rental. After the rental is over, we're back on our own personal coverage. It's as easy as that. Oh, and I forgot, the best part is your own personal coverage is never affected by an incident that happens during an RV rental with RV Easy. In case of any accidents or collisions, any claim will be handled directly by RV Easy. Next question: how does RV Easy work? You list your RV on RVEasy.com. You choose the price and the days you want to rent your RV, and you will get booking requests that you can accept or decline. You control how much money you want to make and how often you want to rent your unit. Next question: how much does it cost to rent out your RV online? On RV Easy, it is free to list your RV. All you need to do is take pictures, write a description, and set your availability and rates. Although it is free to list your RV online, be aware you're gonna have to factor in extra maintenance costs for your vehicle, as it's gonna be used more often than usual. The big question: can you really make a lot of money? For sure. We have been making up to $4,000 per month renting out our 2018 Ford Transit camper van, and we're not even the most expensive option. We rent our unit around $165 a night. Some RVs can be rented for $300 per day, so their owners could be making $9,000 per month if it was fully booked. Of course, it probably won't be booked 100% of the time. On RVeasy's website, it mentions up to $1,400 per week, which matches our experience. Here's a few secrets, not too secret actually, to make a lot more money. Extra mileage. Never offer unlimited mileage. You don't want renters crossing the country with your RV for free. You can make a lot of money with extra mileage. We personally include 125 miles per day and charge 35 cents per extra mile. If our renters do 500 miles or more, it's $175 more for us. Delivery. Offer a lot of different delivery options. From different airports and pickup points, you can make an extra $100, $200, maybe $300 if you price your delivery wisely. You have to choose a price that makes you profit. That is more than the fuel expense, of course. Cleaning fee. This is not an option in our case, and we make a few extra bucks with this each time. So to clean the RV, it's $8 at the car wash, not including our time, and we charge $50 to $100. Add-ons. Any add-ons is a great way to increase your budget, from portable barbecue to a bike rack, propane refill, prepayment, and especially emptying the septic. Sometimes we make 50% more money because of these add-ons. Also remember to increase your price for popular dates and holidays. A question we received is, I see a service fee. What is that? RVeasy takes 20% fee in order to cover insurance, maintenance of their platform, marketing your RV listing, and providing owners and renters with top-notch customer service. So, on a $1,000 rental, you take home $800, which in my opinion is a pretty good deal considering the peace of mind that it offers. Next question, how do I get paid? You'll get payments into your bank account through direct deposit. With RVeasy, you'll get paid the first 50% of the payout 24 hours after the rental start date. The second 50% will be released when the RV is returned and the closeout process has been completed. Don't be shy to follow up with your renters to leave a review once they've completed their rental. You might feel like someone begging for reviews like on TripAdvisor, but trust me, this is the only way that the second 50% of your payment will be released. It's actually a part of the closeout process with RVeasy. Do I have to worry about taxes? Owners have to declare RVeasy as an extra source of income. The best is to talk to your accountant or tax expert. You should keep your bills of expenses, as some may be deductible from your income. If you have a tax number and you wish to apply your own tax, you can easily do that on RVeasy by editing the listing price in your dashboard. How do you get a listing that's gonna get a ton of leads? Name your motorhome with an attractive caption. You wanna sell the experience of your RV by highlighting the best elements of your RV, but you don't wanna oversell it. Make sure to avoid errors and misspellings in your descriptions. Now the critical part is uploading pictures of your RV. Owner's tips. Check the other listings in the same category as your RV to see how you can make your listing stand out. Pay close attention to their pictures, descriptions, add-ons, pricing, and ask yourself, would you rent this RV? If you have questions during or after the listing process, RVeasy has a dedicated team to help owners get the most out of their platform. Are you ready to make money? Now you have all the information to start making money with your RV. If you have any more questions or you want more details about something, write them below and we'll answer them back to you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and start listing your RV using the link below.